Most brands think you need a full production team to test ads at scale. You don't. You don't need a big creative team, a designer, a copywriter, or an agency, or even weeks of back and forth just to get enough ads to test. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I generated 50 ad creatives in one session using AI. And the best part is, this is not just about making random creatives. The goal is to create a full batch of ads that are actually ready to test. So I'm going to walk you through how I used one AI tool to go from one brief into a full batch of over 50 creatives. And later in the video, I'll show you which ones I'd actually test first. The reason this matters is because creative testing is one of the biggest bottlenecks for ecom brands. Everyone knows they need to be more creative, more hooks, more angles, more layouts, more formats, but creating all of that manually is expensive and slow. Usually, if you want to test over 50 creatives, you need a designer, a copywriter, a production team, a lot of revisions, and definitely a lot of approvals. Because instead of building every single ad manually, you can start with one brief and use agent flow mode to mass produce a full creative testing batch in just one session. So let's jump right into the Creatify Agent. I'm going to show you the exact workflow I used step by step. The tools that I'm going to be using today is Creatify Agents on flow mode, as this tool runs easily on a canvas. You have the control and drive for every single detail. You can watch every scene as it renders, tweak the ones you want to change, swap a shot without rerunning everything, and it's built for pros, agencies, and studios who want to drive every little detail. So if you're a brand, agency, or media buyer trying to scale creative production without hiring, this is the kind of workflow that can save a lot of time for you. And for this demo, I'm starting with one creative brief. That's the whole point. So let's build it right now. All right, guys, so this is the creative brief that I'm doing for the following product. I'm gonna be doing the Bloom Greens and Superfoods product today. And this is gonna be the prompts that I'm gonna be using for the workflow. It says, create a set of Instagram ad creative examples for a superfood product called Bloom. The product, it's for people who wanna have more energy, feel better, improve their health and support overall daily wellness. The main offer is buy one, get one 50% off. Make these in Instagram format and create multiple ad variations, not just one ad. I wanna test different ad angles, including social proof variation, focus on testimonials, customer satisfaction, results, and trust. And something that I did here was I used either ChatGPT or Claude, use your favorite AI tool to create these prompts. Not only is it gonna save you time, but it's just gonna be a lot more specific and go into a lot more detail, and it's just gonna make it a lot easier for you. So yeah, it pretty much tells me everything. And then by the end, something very important, it's always ask for how many credits this is gonna use, as this tool can be credit heavy. So just make sure you always ask the agent how many credits you're gonna be using. That way you don't spend a lot of credits without even knowing beforehand. All right, so we're now gonna go ahead and submit our prompt so you can generate all of our ads. This is great. So it told us exactly what it's doing. It tells us exactly how many credits it's going to be utilizing, which is about 12 to 13 in total. And we're going to give it a couple more seconds to finalize putting everything together for us. All right, so we have it right here, ready to go. All right, so now it told us that it's ready to generate about 50 nodes, which means it's just going to help generate all the ads for us. So we're going to go ahead and hit generate. So as we can see here live, it's creating everything for us. The entire workflow, all the nodes are being done automatically as well. So this is actually pretty cool. It tells us the progress as well, and we can zoom in and see exactly what it's doing for pretty much the entire workflow. All right, so now we get into the part that makes this really powerful. From that one brief that I did, I started branching to different creative angles that we see right here. So as we can see here, these are all of the examples that it did for me. We have the lifestyle over here, we have the hook based, we have the promo and the discount as well, and this is the trust one that I was just explaining about. So now that I have the main creative angles, I'm gonna start turning each one into multiple variations. So this is where the volume comes from. Instead of manually designing every ad, writing every headline, and building every layout from scratch, I can use agent flow mode to generate a full batch of creative options from the structure I already created. All right guys, so now what I wanna do is start testing different headlines, descriptions, backgrounds, hooks, CTAs. And again, you can choose whichever you want. And the really cool thing is you don't have to start from scratch. You can just choose the one that's ready. And here you come to the image and you just can change anything you want to. You're gonna come down here, and this is where you can actually make some other tweaks to your final picture. You can change how it looks, color, background. Let's say you don't want a solid forest green, you want a solid light blue. Once we have this ready, we're gonna go ahead and hit the bottom right arrow. And I'll give it a couple seconds and I'll be right back as soon as this is done. All right guys, so we have the revision ready and it looks perfect. This is literally what I asked for, which is a different title, very simple. And again, the whole point of this is so we can do as many changes and iterations to either your headlines, titles, your CTAs, your background colors, or even your product images. And you can do this by simply just going to the final ad, going down below and changing any of the text. Make sure you're very specific. The more specific you are, the better the ad will turn out. So that's it guys, that's the result of generating multiple ad creatives in one brief. And that's how you can easily generate over 50 ad creatives in very little time. Some are more social proof driven, some feel more of a lifestyle, just like the last one that I did. Because when you're testing ads, you don't just need more creatives, you need more meaningful variations. Now, earlier I said I'd show you which of these I'd actually test first. Out of all of the variations, these are the ones that stand out to me the most. The ones that I usually prioritize first are the creatives that feel easy to understand, visually clear, focused on one strong message, different enough from the rest of the batch. So for me, the ones that test first would usually be a clean features and benefit variations, strong offer driven variation, like this one, just like this one, are two of my favorite ones. And what I like more about this workflow is that it solves a very real problem. Most brands are not struggling because they don't have ideas. They struggle because they can't turn all of those ideas into enough finished creative fast enough. And that's why this kind of system actually helps. Instead of just saying we need more ads and then waiting weeks for a team or agency to produce them, you can actually take one brief and quickly turn it into multiple testable directions. That means faster production, more creative coverage, more angles tested, and a lot more chances to find winners. And definitely less time hiring productions, doing revisions, and turnaround times. So if you want to try this yourself, I'll leave the link down below for Creatify's Agent flow. Start with one brief, build a few different angles, and branch those into multiple formats, hooks, layouts, and design styles. That's how you turn one creative brief into a full batch of ready-to-test ads instead of just one or two creatives. And if you found this helpful, subscribe and like for more videos on AI tools, ecom ads, and creative testing. And drop any questions in the comments if you want to know more specifics about this whole process. I'm Joel, and I'll see you in the next one.